Oh, what's going on, guys? This is meeting here.
It's been even here, guys.
Today, the Indian twins, are going to react to why I don't do jokes about politics in India by Kenny Sebastian.
It's
It's
a
a
part.
stand-up
It's a
comedy.
second
Yeah,
video of we are reacting to Kenny Sebastian.
the third one.
No, second one for Kenny Sebastian.
Yeah, Kenny
Kenny.
Sebastian.
Yeah.
And without further ado, let's jump into the video
What's the link
and
will be in the
let's
description
react to the
box
video.
as always.
Yeah.
Check him in there and subscribe to him. So support him though. Let's get into the video right now.
Thank you so much. It means a lot. You guys are the positive audience, okay? There's a positive audience that comes out and supports live comedy. It's great. You could have done anything. You could have watched Netflix or whatever, fought traffic, came late also, but it's okay. You came. It's nice. There's always a negative to this, right? You guys are supporting comedy. There's the negative audience which hates comedy, dude. Like they hate it, not dislike. They hate jokes, okay? Like they will be sitting at home and they see a joke on YouTube and they're like, and their wife is like, what happened? I'm angry. Where are you going? I'm going to the police station. Why? To file an FIR. Are you insane? Yes. And they go, they wear the chappal and all. And they go to the police station. Cop is like, what? I want to file an FIR. Of course, I'll do this. I'll file an FIR for a joke. Other important shit I won't do. Yeah, come. Even the pen is angry. The pen is also like, I have lost my phone 5 times and I didn't file an FIR because I'm lazy. Okay? But these kids don't like a joke and they file an FIR. It's amazing. I have a lot of respect for that. Because angry and delusional people are so productive, dude. They're so productive. It's not fair. All the smart people are like, but I have to click this for rainforester. If I click this, rainforest will get saved. But I don't want to click. Because I want to click on suggested videos. Anyway. So, there's that audience. This is negative audience. You guys are the positive audience. This one was third category, which is audience that gives feedback. Holy shit. I would take an FIR over feedback any day. I'm kidding, I don't want both, okay? Every time I upload a video on YouTube, okay, I upload it and you get the usual comments, right? You get the, haha, very funny, lol, haha. Relatable AF. One guy like, you're only getting fans because you're cute, buddy. I'm like, yeah, I know. All these comments, yes. All these comments, great, expected, but there's one guy. Well, all is like, I love the jokes and observations, they're very clever, ha ha ha. But the real question I want to ask is, are you aware of the massive following you have? Young people look up to you. So my question to you, Kenneth Sebastian, is, when are you going to talk about issues? The real issues, socio-political issues, religious issues. Political issues. Space and so then I realized that people don't realize that I'm self-aware. Okay, I know why I do jokes about restaurants and chai. Okay, it's not by accident. It's not like I get up every morning, hey, filter coffee is weird. That's not why I read. Because whenever I've done jokes about chai, I make jokes about biscuits. You've seen my videos. I've done jokes about biscuits. Yes. Oh, see all the love I'm getting. This is lovely. I've never done a joke on biscuits and suddenly I hear a knock on my door and suddenly a Palaji is like, Kya bola be kutte? What happened? Because biscuits are non-violent. I've never seen some like brutality of two like Paliji brutally murdered by bourbon. It's never happened. Okay, that's why I do jokes on like simple stuff that won't get me in trouble. People ask me why you don't do jokes on religion. Really? Because I'm not insane. Yeah, because we are not ready for jokes on religion. I'm sorry guys. I know you guys think you're damn cool and open and all, but no, you're not. You're not ready. Yeah, maybe 60 years from now, when I'm old and I'm in like one open mic, And I was like, one day Jesus walks into a bar. See, all of you became quiet, okay? It's a hypothetical situation. And all of you became, half of you not even Christians, but you're like, I should be quiet. And it's a stupid joke. Jesus doesn't walk into a bar. He can turn water into wine. He doesn't have to go to. Anyway, so you guys are not ready, okay? So religion is out. Why I don't do jokes on politics? Because the government is super chill. Super chill our government is. Our government is so bipolar, it's not even funny. If I dated someone like the government, I would break up on the first day. Our government is insane, okay? Like, rapes are happening, like, people are getting murdered and shit. Journalists are getting shot in the head. Government is like,
Indian government.
suddenly Padmavati releases something. The government is a film buff. Okay. That's the problem. Why I don't do jokes on politics is because I'm scared. That's why. That's why. It's not like I can't get punchlines on political jokes. I don't want to get punched on my face. That's why. Okay? And you're like, Kenny, you're scared, really, bro. You're scared. You're protected. You're in Mumbai. You're the 1%. You're privileged class. How can you be scared? No, I feel scared. It's sad. In a democratic, when you're in a democracy and you feel scared, it's sad. You don't believe me, right? Okay. Go to a movie theater and don't stand for the national anthem. Oh, shit! God, fear! When you stand up in that fear, that goosebumps come, no, that's called fear, buddy. Forget that. That's too ballsy. Just think about not standing for the national anthem, and from the popcorn, no, a rifle will come out like this. Sorry. Opposition party? Hello. That's called fear, okay? So I feel scared, okay? And that's another problem. No, I told you, right? People are very angry and corrupt, have the best employees. They're so productive. Politicians so productive, dude. They love, like, people who work for politicians are so awesome, okay? They love their job. How many people here love their job? Not many. All goons love their job. Goons love their job. Like, can't wait, sir, kisko marna hai, sir, kisko marna hai? Kisko marna hai, sir? It's like their hand itches. Goons are damn productive, dude. Like, bank employees hate their job, okay? There's no bank employees like, today 10 home loans, bro. Bank employees are the only people who hate you for coming into the bank. I don't understand.
Yeah, that's true.
Dude, I don't want to be, nobody wants to be there. You enter a bank like, excuse, like, what do you want? Like they test you if you're in the right place. Bank employee, like, you sure you have a bank account, yeah? You sure? You sure? This is the home branch, you sure? If it's not the home branch, I'll fucking slap you. What is this? Why do you? That's why I like ATMs, they're sweet. Bank employees hate the job. Goons love their jobs. And rightfully so, okay? Goons are super nice and productive. They're overproductive, actually. Like, sometimes they'll do more than this required. Like, boss, pata nahi kisko marna tha, sir, pure khandan ko maar diya, sir. So on the way there's a bus, sir. The bus didn't let us overtake. We burned the bus also, sir. Sir, practice. We had to practice. And goons are so health conscious. All goons are like fit and like the buff, the huge chest and biceps. Chest and biceps. I don't know why they wear such tight t-shirts though. I don't know. All goons will go to the store like, I'll have a shirt like, sir, what's your size? 45? No, 12. Tight t-shirts. They want their shirt to be scared of them. Yeah. Remember who owns you. Like the bicep is screaming for help. Sorry. They're damn productive, dude, goons. I like them. And also they're happy. They're happy employees because they get paid on time. Yeah, goons get paid on the same day. You know, any freelancers here? Yeah, see, you laughed, you know what I'm going to say. There are freelancers who haven't been paid in like a year and they're still chasing. Hello, sir, please give, sir. Sir, please. I did wedding photography for your wedding, sir. Baby has come out, sir, please. They don't pay on time. Goons on the same day. You give the lash, you'll get the cash on the same day, but throw the body like that. Throw the body like that, same time you'll get cash. And they do catch, dude, with cash. They'll open the bag like, hey, Chintu, he's for you. Oh, sir, thank you. Hey, your sister's wedding now. Yes, sir, how do you know? Hey, I care about my employees here. Another, sir, what? Cash cat, dude, it's a big fuck you to teachers, you know. Teachers don't get paid enough. They don't get paid enough at all in any part of our country. Teachers, when they go to the principal, they're like, can we get some benefits? Students hate us, you hate us, parents hate us. Can we get some benefits? Principal, yeah? 2 months summer holiday, you also get. It's sad as that. Goons are damn nice. There's no goon who's ever raised an invoice. Yeah, there's no goon like, sir, can I get your email ID? Sir, I'm asking from that time. October was village burning, November was city burning. December was country burning. So can I please maintain a record of my corruption? It's organized crime, sir, for a reason. It's nice. That's when I realized that I'm performing for the wrong audience. Okay, you guys are nice and all. Okay, but the thing is, you guys ask for jokes and all. But when I go to jail, none of you fuckers will come. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Keep asking. Hey, do jokes now on Modi. Fuck you. When I go to jail, you'll be like, anyway, it's not that funny. Leave it.
It's not that funny.
If you come to jail with me, nicely we'll do jokes. That's the worst part. Papa, comedian's in jail. That joke was not that funny also. I don't see that. Really, dude, he's in jail. For a joke. That's when I realized, wrong audience. I want to be number one goon comedian. Number one. Okay. Because if full goons, imagine full auditoriums, only goons, okay? Full chest everywhere, this chest. Like if I do a stage dive, I'll bounce back. Chest. They fart, no protein smell comes out. Yeah. So much protein there. It's the best. And I'll do goon jokes, like goon relatable jokes. I'll be like, don't you hate it when you put chloroform and you get up halfway and you're beating them up? Damn embarrassing, dude. Bro, if they don't stand up for national anthem, no, we'll break their legs. Bro, if you break their legs, how will they stand up for national anthem? Goon comedy. So, yes. So, in closing, that's why I don't do jokes on politics. Because I like my family. I don't want them to burn them, okay? I don't want them to be crispy. Medium rare is fine.
Thank you so much for watching video with us, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this. This is about really about Indian politics. They don't care about anything. Rather than if you talk shit about them, you go straight to prison. That's what happens in India. Yeah. So no one voices out about anything or any politics thing happening in it. Rather than opposite party. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Bye.
See you guys in the next video.